Hello friends, hope you all are good. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Node.js and npm in Termux and how you can set up a local host server. So let's get started. Open your Termux and type the command apt update. After that type apt upgrade. Now your Termux is updated. To install the Node.js type pkg install Nodejs. Now your Node.js is successfully installed. To check it you can see the version of Node.js by the command node v. Now let's create a local host server. For that we have to create directory. I am going to name it website. You can choose according to you. Now in this directory I am going to create some content for testing. You can create your project here. Now let's create a server file. The code used in this file will be given in the description. Now to start the server we have to use command node server.js. Now open a browser and type 127.0.0.18080. Hit enter and you can view your project here.